Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to activate the gaming mode on your Android device. So all of the settings may vary depending upon device, but you can follow the similar process in order to do so. So open up your settings for that, and once you access your device's settings, you can just scroll down and look out for the option for advanced features or directly search for games option and find it up within your settings. Once you find advanced features here, you will be finding different options. If you're specifically on a Samsung device, what you can do is you can go over and find the option for game launcher. Once you find the option for game launcher, you just need to go ahead and enable it. For that, you can swipe the toggle switch to the right to enable the game launcher. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do, it should directly enable the game launcher. Now, at you can even add it to your home screen if you prefer the game launcher. You can tap on the game launcher icon to add it to your home screen. Find it up, which is this one right here, Gaming Hub or Gaming Launcher. After that, you can hold it up and you can tap on Add to Home as well if you want to add it to your home page like this. And you can even open it up from your home screen, and all of your games from the Play Store or the Galaxy Store will be collected there, and your downloaded games will automatically be displayed within the game launcher, and that's it. So if you'd also like to activate gaming mode on Android, this is the easiest method you can apply up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.